near as smooth. What up, everybody? No, just kidding. I gotta put in my mic. I don't ever use this one.
As you can read, I did not realize that the Rode mic needs to be actually powered on instead of just plugged into the new Sony. So we're all learning together, and this is what you get is a fancy little voiceover. So we had just arrived to the Drift Mansion. I unloaded the car. It was a beautiful, quiet morning. It felt great. I was super excited to be there, and yeah, just kind of walking around. I really don't even know what I'm rambling on about at this point, but I wanted to show the beauty of the actual place. Everybody was kind of waking up, getting ready to go to the driver's meeting. Yeah, I don't know why I'm pointing at the fancy 350Z, but I talked about the Barra-swapped Mustang and then the cool 370 behind me, and kind of just going to get ready to go out and get drifting. Everybody stayed in the house. We're going to get to do whatever layout they tell us to do, and yeah, hopefully you enjoy this little bit. I'll make this one short and sweet. And because of the voiceover, I guess, then here you go.
up in the greenhouse. Ball it up, I'm with the gang. We taking shots off the rebound. Fucking my posters, say now. I've been humble too long, yeah. Tell them all to stay calm, yeah. Tell them all to move on, yeah. Fucking my posters, say now. They be lost in the sauce, yeah. Took a loss, that's your loss, yeah. Had to get my point across, yeah. Heard them lanes was talking now, and we don't pay that no mind. Didn't need to watch and know that I'll be here in no time. Put a candle on it, had to tell them they could blow mine. Lights, camera, action, ayy, shows.
I'm smoking that dope from Edmond. We the new meth in Redmond. We ain't real blood, but we brethren. Run up a check and it's pending. She talking my news, we'll send them. Fuck with the fam, you a dead man. Jesus, peace on my pendant. And we still independent. ISO, yeah, we trending. Watch what you say, don't offend them. They keeping it real, they commend them. People like get your wife pregnant, but I ain't tryna be dependent. I need money, never ending. I'm talking 100%. I need the owner, you rent it.
Whoa, step in the spotty and watch how they panic. Yeah, we the duo, you know we dynamic. When we outside, we be stopping the traffic. Breaking their necks, them they upset. How them boys doing more when they got less? How they on this and how they on that? How they got this and how they got that? Too busy watching us, they need to stop that. Talking my shit, you know we gon' pop that. See it, I like it, yeah, I'm gon' cop that. When we on top, how you gon' top that? Nah, you ain't got nothing on us. I'm steady calling your bluff. Pass me the split, need me a puff. You don't want smoke, tell them that's tough, yeah, yeah. Heard them lanes was talking now, and we don't pay that no mind. Didn't need to watch them, know that I'll be here in no time. Put a candle on it, had to tell them they could blow mine. Lights, camera, action, ayy, shows, Rack it up, I gotta build up the bank to make me a safe house. Shake it up, she got her hands on her knees and she bringing the cake out. Smoke it up, I got some gas, some packs, I'm up in the greenhouse. Ball it up, I'm with the gang, we taking shots off the rebound. Fucking my posters, say now. I've been humble too long, yeah. Tell them all to stay calm, yeah. Tell them all to move on, yeah. Fucking my posters, say now. They be lost in the sauce, yeah. Took a loss, that's your loss, yeah. Had to get my point across, yeah.